Hey guys, welcome back to Taxico Expedition. Today I came to Santa Monica Pier, where everywhere else is 90s and 100s. Santa Monica is 75 degrees. That's where rich people live because of the temperature is beautiful. Anyways, it's Tuesday, but Santa Monica Pier is packed. Like always, I parked it in a VIP parking and kept walking, and I decided to film today. It's beautiful weather. It feels very free here. There's a lot of tourists, a lot of locals, some transients. So when there's a shade, it's actually chilly. But when we go out to the sun, then it's perfect. It feels like I'm in Hawaii. A similar temperature. That's a Santa Monica police. They have a nice car, rescue with a worn winch. And I used to have that rigid industry lights. Kind of cool. Very nice car with the KO2 all-terrain tires with the surfboard. Very nice. There's fishing. There's rich people yachting over there. And there are a lot more beautiful people here. Seems like funny. I really like the west view from the pier because you can see the coastline. Look at this. I bought my wife this hat, 25 bucks. Because it was so sunny. This damn thing right here. So my wife dressed up today to go to a hospital. And then she asked me if we can go to the pier. There's a transient there, but not many compared to LA. That's good. And also Santa Monica is a lot safer than Venice Beach, even though it's very close. They're maybe a mile or two apart. Restaurants, mini roller coasters there, Ferris wheel. Santa Monica is just perfect. Perfect little city in Southern California. The coastal line there. But I don't like this view too much compared to this side. This side view is amazing with the mountains over there, with the high-rise buildings. Beautiful. I should buy that. Look at this. They mimicked LAPD car, but the marking is CHP because CHP's rear door is black. So I won't buy that because it's neither nor LAPD CHP. So that Ferris wheel is like landmark. If you see a lot of those apocalypse movies, this shows up as a sign of LA. Look at that. You gotta hang for 45 seconds to win small, minute 15 for medium, minute 30 for big prize. And I think he can go all the way. He has a lot of muscles. Bubba Gump, no money. Bubba Gump, no money. So this is end of the pier, and that's the entrance to the pier. Like I said, I parked at VIP, right? Oh, right there, my baby. Out of all these people, I parked in a VIP spot. But this is nice. It's a pedestrian walkway all the way to the Ocean Boulevard. I think it's Ocean Boulevard. Oh, it's packed today. A lot of people because the weather's too nice today. That's PCH. That goes up to Malibu. That's nice, a freeway or highway if you choose to drive up locally. It's a beautiful road, and there's a little park walkway by the ocean, so that is also nice. So Santa Monica spent money and put some walkways like this by the ocean, so it's a beautiful walkway. And I see a lot of people running in the morning, but there's also a lot of transients, so that's unfortunate. Fruit vendors. This is the Ocean Boulevard, and nice path. I guess less transients here on this road. You guys seen this before from Forrest Gump. He runs from here. Nice landmark. So there's two paths you can come in through here, the upper floor and the bottom. So that's the entrance from the bottom. Just make sure you bring $15 cash because they don't take credit card. It's only cash. You guys heard me? Only cash. And I know that a lot of Americans don't carry cash. They don't even have $20 in their wallet. Come on, man. What are you gonna do when they don't take credit cards? You're gonna just turn back and park somewhere else. So always carry emergency cash, like maybe $200 bills into the pocket of your wallet or somewhere, so you at least have some cash. We're done at the pier, so walking towards the parking lot, and there you go. The best parking ever. And I'm using the sunshade, which looks like a umbrella. Look, you have to pay cash. See, it only opened for me, so my wife cannot come in. But if I just do this, it opens everything. Put this up. Then, okay, so just collapse this down. Kind of like, see, umbrella. Beautiful Taycan comes out. 67%. I think I can go home. 183 miles left. The temperature here is 77 degrees. So what I do is I turn this to individual Sport Plus. Out we go to 3rd Street Promenade. This is the famous 3rd Street Promenade. So this street is completely blocked and it's a pedestrian only. I made these coffee. I bought her this. And I bought her this Rolex. And she bought me this. Ha! Damn, it's like playing a video game. All these obstacles. Dangerous. So I have the secret parking location in Santa Monica where there's always a parking space. It's on 4th Street between, I believe, Arizona and Santa Monica. Okay, so when you see Pottery Barn and West Elm, it's right here. So if you want to check out 3rd Street Promenade, I recommend this parking lot because it's nice. There's always a spot in here. The price might be fixed price like this. Man, that used to be my car. 4Runner TRD Pro.